What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making another Mickey Mouse phone holder. My son asked me to make him one. His birthday is July 20th, and after seeing the first phone holder I made, he asked me to make him one. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I recently got some mica powders, and so I figured this would be a really good time to try them out. My son loves the colors black and blue, so those are the colors we're going to be using today. And let's just see how these mica powders really, what the difference is between using mica powders and acrylic paints, which is what I've been using in the past. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm already starting to combine my resin, and I'm going to get ready to stir that up and get this show on the road. So you want to make sure that your resin is mixed very well. I like to mix big volumes of resin for 4 minutes, and then I let it rest for another 3 minutes before I start working with it. And I do that to let the bubbles rise and just give the resin a little bit of time to rest after mixing it. We're now ready to start working. I'm going to separate the resin into 2 cups because we're using 2 colors. Here's the black that we'll be using. I'm just going to add a little bit of this into 1 cup. Next we'll add this blueberry color. So you want to make sure you stir these mica powders really well into your resin. If you don't, I've come to realize just kind of playing with it here and there that you will get like little chunks of the powder, just like splotches, once the resin cures and dries when you get ready to demold your piece. Okay, now we're ready to pour. I'm just going to go in like a little squiggle motion here, not putting too much in any one spot because I want it to be like a kind of a marbly effect. So yeah. Time to demold, and look at how this came out. I think it came out gorgeous. I love how the blue micas, like the swirl of it, and you don't see it in this lighting right here, but it gives off this shimmer. It's not like glitter, but it's just this shimmer that the mica gives off, and it's just really, really pretty. So yeah, I was really, really pleased with how this came out. So now, of course, you want to kind of figure out your configuration. So that's what I'm doing here. Once I figure out exactly where I want the pieces to sit on the coaster, I go ahead and just dip it in this E6000 glue and then just put them where I want on the coaster. Once that's done, I'll leave it to set for a couple of hours. Okay, so this is what it's looking like after it's all dried with the E6000 glue. The next step is to pour a very light coat of resin on the coaster just to seal the letters and the Mickey Mouse head in and on to the coaster. We don't want anything just popping off. But I stress a very light coat because if you use these letters like I did, your letters can get lost in the resin. So you just want to make sure it's a light coat, just barely covering the bottom of the letters. As you can see, my son's name is Jay, and the J could very, very easily get lost in the resin if you're not careful. So after that's dried, you're going to go ahead and start adding your embellishments. And that could be vinyl, on the Mickey Mouse head itself, or just on the coaster part of it, even on the back. I usually just add a little charm that just hangs out of the little keychain hole piece there. But if anyone has any other ideas, definitely let me know. So this is how it turned out, guys. My son absolutely loved it. If you like it, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the like button. It helps others find my videos as well. Well, thanks for watching.